Just when I think I've learned it all, you get so alone. Sometimes it starts to make sense. On this side of paradise, we're never concerned when the grass always greener on the other side of the screen. And misery set her sights on the likes of you and me. When arrows of love you pulled from my chest, when white mask of tragedy ties ribbons round our necks, and then shadows are cast over beds that we've made, and you start to forget why you came to this place. Then you go break their hearts. They don't know who you are as you lie in the dark. Do you know what you want? You get so alone, sometimes you start to forget that this sort of paradise won't happen again. And for reasons unknown, we were brought to this place until legs grow too old to just fight the good race. And you go break the
Hi guys, good morning. My face puffy. Okay. Good morning guys. It's another day off. As usual, we vlog on our days off. I'm not feeling very well today, but I just had to vlog everything. I'll be a little bit busy today, so I might just take you along. I'm actually having like the cold symptoms. Queenie's really sick, but still she's working because she's hardworking like that. I haven't been coughing. I'm not having sore throat as well, so not really sick. I feel like it's because I've been taking my vitamins. Helps. Just started washing my laundry. I'm gonna take that out before I leave. So today it's just gonna be errands day. So I have an appointment at a laser clinic. It's called Laser Clinic Australia for hair laser. So I booked treatments for the underarm and for Brazilian hair laser. Today is gonna be my first treatment. After that, I'm gonna go straight to my eye appointment. So I'm gonna have eye checkup so I can properly have a prescription for my eyes, because I haven't been wearing my glasses if you've noticed, but I do have glasses from the Philippines. It's just this one and that one, and it does help. It does make everything clearer, but I haven't been wearing it. I was nearsighted on one side. I don't have astigmatism, but yeah, I've just noticed that it's been getting a bit worse. So I'm used to not being able to see the bus numbers at night. Their numbers are on top of the bus, so I have to squint my eyes, and then they have to be a bit closer before I can see them. I'm used to that. But now, I just went to church last week and I noticed I could not even see the preacher, their faces, the ones who were singing in front. I can't even read the lyrics on the big screen. But I was seated quite far as well. If my grade has changed, I might have to grab another pair of glasses.
Baby, please don't think I'm being lazy. All
makeup because running late as usual. These are toner, Claire's unscented toner. I have a lash serum. It's from Silly George. Just helps with lash growth. Eye cream. It's from Milky Dress. That one. I don't know if it's even focusing. Straight away apply my snail mucin. I use this as like moisturizer because it does have a moisturizing effect. I'm running late, so I have to speak really quick. Don't forget your sunblock. So I use the Regina sunblock. Is life, even if it's not sunny. Eyebrows. See that? Oh, for my brows, previously I was using this Fashion Brow from Maybelline, dark brown shade, but now I've been using this. I ran out of this and I couldn't find it anywhere, so I'm still using Maybelline, but it's still brown, dark brown. That's it. Don't forget my contour. So I'll just put this under here. I don't know if I have bags under my eyes, but I'm just gonna apply a bit of concealer right there. Always put powder to set that. Curl my eyelash. And for my lash, sometimes I use this one. That one, it's like a Korean brand. That's it for today. This is my outfit.
I burn for you, maybe one day you can save me.
Oh my goodness, forgot to close my room window.
Baby, shine through and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space, girl. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else but you. Baby, this world drives me
It doesn't
crazy.
matter what area of the body you do, everyone generally needs about 10 to 12 treatments. And each time you're lasered, we'll jump up the settings a little bit.
I'm gonna see you later. I'm just gonna do the procedure.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home.
I'm done. The procedure was actually very fast. Like it took only like about 5 minutes in total.
Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait, no. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad.
I'm home. What I had a while ago, I did package. It's the underarm and Brazilian hair laser treatment. They were on sale, so I just grabbed treatment for 6 sets. It's gonna be 6 sessions, but they said it's recommended to have 6 to 10, so we might have to add more so that we reach the 10 sessions, and then from then on you'll just have to top up like at least once or twice a year. The hair laser treatment experience, I could feel a bit of like a prick while she was moving the laser machine, but that's about it. You can see me. Ground pepper. Cue montage.
You know that I miss you, but I'm conflicted. The way that I feel about you, no, I should not feed it. And if you were the answer
Guys, I'm crying.
to all these questions,
Onion.
I think I'll be a man first. Admit that I made a mess here. Yeah, I made a mess here. Well, I made a mess here. Oh, I made a mess here. You know that I saw it, all those letters you wrote. I buried them in moving boxes to keep the memories honest. How do you write like an angel, and yet you bite like a spitfire, like that October in Salem, when you were my safe haven. Oh, but you made a mess here. Yeah, you made a mess here. Yeah, you made a mess here.
Guys, I just received an email from World Vision PH. So World Vision is a global organization. I just learned now that they're a global organization, and there's one in Australia as well. One of their program is to help children, like sponsor children. So they'll be helping children with their health, what else? Economic development, education, disaster preparedness, and then child protection. I heard about this from another YouTuber. I saw that you could sponsor a child, and I was just looking through it last night, and I thought, what better way to help others? And I think I actually work hard for the things that I buy, and to help support my family in the Philippines as well. But I think it's also additional motivation for me at work if I could donate a bit. So for the Philippines, worldvisionorganize.org.ph, you can check their website. If you want to sponsor a child, you'll just be giving 750 pesos a month. The website, it says they help about 1.5 million children every year through the support of thousands of Filipino sponsors and donors. Very nice program, because you get to have meaningful relationships with the kids that you sponsor if you want to sponsor one as well. So they'll be sending you letters of their progress, and then you can also send back some letters, and then World Vision actually encourages the formation of meaningful relationships. So you send back letters, you get to know them, you can also meet them, but through World Vision. So you'd have to schedule an appointment. Check the link down in my description box. I'll link it down. So if you want to sponsor a child, there are lots of children under World Vision who are waiting to be sponsored and waiting to hear the good news that someone has already signed up to sponsor them. Before I vacuum the floor, just to give it a bit of freshening up.
the truth. I want to eliminate the unnecessary. My vision's never been so clear. You've arrested my attention. All the focus is on you.
Nawa sila mga one, nagkuyog si Veggie. Nag-walk sila or something, guru. Musta na yung sipon?
Wala naman.
So na-earn. The tattoo. I'm gonna do this with Queenie. The other one, this one, it's a pajama set. I do not know when I ordered this. I forgot. Both of these were sent in my old place. So my housemate there just saved them and then met up with me. Oh, that's it. And then the pants. Girl. San ka? Where are you? But you want tattoo? Toy. Gikan bitaw ni sa Pikas Balay, girl. Sa old house. Nakalimut na kung nag-order di kong tattoo. Jeje. Cute!
Oh my gosh! Ay, wow, so pretty.
Ay, mas nice imo, girl. No, di ko ganahan yung bestie tattoo.
Where is it? Can you see it, girl? Marami siya. Ay, magula siya.
Ay, grabe siya. Guys, we are going to a cafe. Cinnamon.
Out my sight, 'cause then I would have no life, and someone else would find your beauty newly mine. Tiptoe, nose down, 'cause I have found that I am walking up in line, being yours and being mine.
There you go. That's the cinnamon latte.
What did you have? Skinny cappuccino. Cream brulee.
And then cream cheese walnut.
No, I'm on fire, and I'm cold as ice, and I'm on fire. If you ask real nice, well, I'm struggling alcoholic. I keep trying to be one, 'cause it seems fun when you're 4